Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever been on a roller coaster? You know, the kind that makes your heart race with excitement and a little bit of fear? That's what managing money can feel like. Sometimes thrilling, but also a bit overwhelming. You know, you're already reshaping the traditional concepts of how money is spent and saved with the many influences and choices that you have. But here's the big question. Are you investing? With 377 million members, Gen Z is driving how India spends and saves. You already influence a mind-boggling 70 lakh crore rupees in consumer spending. That's $860 billion. And by 2035, that's set to double to 1.65 crore rupees. That's $2 trillion. But there's so much more you can do with your money, like investing for your future. I'm CK. Today, we're talking about investing in mutual funds and why it should matter to Gen Z. So why is Gen Z so unique? Well, here's what makes your generation stand out. You're optimistic. You know, despite challenges, 2 in 3 of you are hopeful about your financial, social, and mental future. You trust your crew. When it comes to making decisions, like picking an investment, you turn to your friends and family. You demand honesty. So if a brand or platform isn't transparent, 76% of you will boycott it and make sure everybody knows. Pretty cool, right? You know, you're not just another generation. You're creating a cultural shift. And while all this is happening in your lives, you may keep asking the question, is investing really required? Here's the deal. Start young, aim to win big. You know, the earlier you start investing, the more your money has the potential to grow. It's called compound interest. You know, even small amounts invested today can turn into something potentially huge over time. You have the freedom to dream, want to travel the world, switch careers, or just follow your passion. Investing aims to give you that financial freedom to live life on your terms. You can stay ahead of inflation. You know, let's be real. Your savings account isn't enough. Investing ensures your money can potentially grow faster than inflation, so it doesn't lose its value. And here's where mutual funds come in. Why mutual funds can be considered a good option for beginners. 1. They're easy to get started with. You know, you don't need a paycheck to begin. With just 500 rupees, you can start investing. Yes, it's that affordable even for first jobbers. Then, there is expertise that's backing your investments. You know, think of mutual funds as a team of fund managers managing your money. They invested across different stocks and bonds, spreading the risk, so you're not relying on just any one thing to succeed. And mutual funds can be customized for your goals. You know, you're saving to launch a startup, planning higher education, or thinking of a house or destination wedding. There's a mutual fund for every goal, subject of course to market risk. So here's why Gen Z and mutual funds are a perfect match. You know, in a world of do-it-yourself and where time is the biggest premium, you would find investing simple, quick, and convenient. Your investing experience in mutual funds is sure to be engaging and interactive. You know, it's like reading reviews before buying sneakers. Do detailed research, pick the right fund that suits your needs, and you're ready to begin your investment journey with confidence. So what's stopping you? It's time now to take the lead in investing. Start early, stay consistent, and aim to watch your financial goals become achievable. So why not take that first step today? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more information videos.